Hey, that's our friend, Buddy.
Buddy.
He's so cute. Hey, Buddy. He loves us. He's not even our cat. I mean, which is the weird part. Isn't he adorable? Nice. Nigaito wants to pet him too. You know.
I never heard cat, right? Your friend, right?
His name is Buddy.
And he comes to us too.
Yeah, this is like the third time. No. How long has it been?
Third time.
Yeah, the third time.
The third time.
I said third.
Remember that?
Oh, yeah.
The third time.
We're so mean.
The third time.
That's not very good. Yeah.
Girl.
We're not going to play with this cat anymore. Come on, let's leave before he faces us.
I think he did like you, Teto.
Shut up!
It was just fine with me. It was all like rubbing himself against my
He did that to you, so shut up.
We're like,
bye, Buddy.
Did you get that?
Yeah. Look, he's right there. You see him? You see him? Shut up, Nigaito, before I close up on your face. Shut. Stupid Utauloid. I'm gonna kill you, okay? You're not gonna be able to see Miko or Teto anymore. You're gonna die. You what? You keep being so offensive. You're gonna die. You see. You're not gonna... You're not gonna wake up tomorrow.
Hold on, wait.
Can I have a tic tac?
We broke up. I'm totally not this gay.
Look at that. He has chapstick.
Peeps?
Chapstick.
Peeps. Oh, this is what you were talking
Look
about.
how soft Nigaito's lips are.
What are you talking about?
Yeah, so that's the end. We'll come back to you later. Bye.